The important reason to stop soil erosion is to continuous of successful agriculture is important in India. So that in many places of India calling urgently for attentions of preventive actions for soil erosion, the terracing of land, constructions of bunds, to check the flow of water, and the practice of contour cultivation and planting to appropriate types of vegetations. So these are all the things very the maintaining to stop the soil erosion in India. This picture is shown to you as an example for a contour uh, farming. Water is the basis of all life, even for animals, plants, for every living beings. The water is an important thing. It is needed to the growth of plants and trees through the quantity necessary varies enormously with the species. The conservation and utilization of water is thus fundamental for human welfare. No kind of physiological activity is possible in which the fluid does not play an essential part. So water is very important thing for all the things. Apart from artesian water, the main source of water is the rainfall or snowfall. Much of Indian agriculture depends on seasonal rainfall, so that it is very sensitive to any failure or irregularity of the same. The problem of soil erosion and irregular rainfall, it is closely connected to each other in India. So, the adoption of techniques preventing soil erosion would also help to conserve and keep the water where it is wanted. So, soil erosion and rainfall plays an important role in agriculture in India. It is evident that, however, we are getting the heavy seasonal rainfall, but it will run off on the ground and it will be waste. The collections and utilization of this water is therefore a vital importance to the farming. Most of the water runs down to the streams or rivers, and at last it will be uh, joins to the sea. So at last large quantities of the precious fluid, that means water, lost to the country because joining to the sea, connect to the sea water, and much of the mostly the water becomes waste to us. It is the great national problem. In India, most areas of land will be scrub jungles and it becomes waste land. So the government is making plan to make turn that waste land into fertile and makes prosperity to the country. To prevent the systematic planting of suitable trees in every possible or impossible areas is planned now. This type of plantation would directly and indirectly prove a source for the untold wealth to the country now. This type of plantation would check soil erosion and conserve the rainfall of the country from flowing away to waste, and would provide the necessary supplies of cheap fuel to us. Not only for saving the life of the all living things, it is the water is the cheapest form of internal transport in the country by boats and barges through canals and rivers also. To build roads and rails, the construction will be very costlier, but the waterways is very cheapest to maintain. The water is very useful to make hydroelectric power also. The availability of electric power would make a tremendous difference to the life of the countryside and enable rural economy to be improved in various directions. In one side, water is the commonest of all liquids. In another sense, it is the most uncommon liquid's amazing properties which are responsible for its unique power of maintaining animals and plant life. The investigation of the nature and properties of water is therefore of the highest scientific interest and is far from an exhausted field of research. Thus, the water is really an elixir of life on the earth. and we have to save the water to save all the living beings. Thank you.